Hanggang second year college lang ako, hindi ko ini-expect na handto ako sa ganito. So yun yung na-appreciate ko talaga. Akala kong ganito lang ako, pero meron pa pala.
There's always more.
Always, hindi. More in store for us. Hi everyone and Happy New Year, of course, new faces. And welcome to the second session of this podcast, The After Shift.
Yeah, so we're excited to be here. So bakit nga ba tayo nandito? So what's the topic for today? Anong meron?
Actually, before that, I'm just happy doon na finally nagkita ka tayo, guys. So marami na namang bagong mukha. Right? And if you're gonna look back in December, parang dami na rin wala.
Exactly.
I think that's a very good topic to discuss, right? I mean, like right now, in the company, what makes people stay?
Correct. Yan talaga yung pinaka-topic na need natin pag-usapan kasi ano ba yung reason bakit sila nagsistay? Ano din yung reason bakit sila umaalis, di ba?
I agree with you. Actually, minsan yung mga gusto natin mag-stay, yung mga taong kung saan tayo comfortable, gano'n. So, for example, ikaw pa, gano'n ka na makatagal dito sa Transcom?
I've been in Transcom for 3 years now. I mean, like, as I was saying, who would have thought from the 6 years from our previous organization, now I'm 3 years kasi I'm really looking forward for staying in the company a little longer. And the reason why I really transferred to Transcom, mainly because of the people, my leaders talaga. I was offered a very good pay and the benefits is really good as well.
Lucky you.
Yeah. Yeah, so for a family woman like me, so I think it's really important for me when I'm considering a partner.
Yeah.
Ikaw ba?
Yeah, kami kasi actually 2 years then, 2 years this March. So, nung pagpasok namin dito talaga, parang sabi ko, sobrang ganda ng environment, sobrang saya, ang cozy niya. Kaya sobrang good choice kami na lumipat kami.
Sure. Actually, isa pa sa reason is kung bakit nagsistay dito sa Transcom, for me is yung binibigyan natin ng opportunity yung lahat to grow. So, hindi lang siya basta-basta magsistay dun sa mga leaders na alam natin strong na talaga. So, it doesn't stop there. So, we still keep on looking forward on improving somewhat, diba? And then, doon po pasok yung mga internship. That's really a good point dito sa company natin na we have that for our people para malaman nila na or ma-feel nila na they're part and they belong to our group.
So,
true.
And hindi lang yun. When I joined Transcom, I think there's just some flexibility, a little bit of flexibility there. Kasi in my job, I get to enjoy work-life balance as well.
Totoo. So what we did, para magkaroon ng work-life balance yung mga tao, is we did adjust their schedules. During the Christmas, New Year, we adjusted their schedules because we wanted them to spend time sa family during the holiday season sa bahay. So we did that adjustment, diba? So saka makakita ng ganon.
Exactly.
Nag-adjust yung operations for you.
Hindi lang pang support, operations din, right? So it's a very, very good thing that Transcom offers to us. Not just for the support team, but also for the operations.
And then doon sa mga yun, nagkakaroon din tayo ng positive environment. So the more na we offer to the people, mas nagsistay sila. So mas nagiging positive yung pagpasok nila sa office. Hindi sila, yung tipong dinadrag nila yung sarili nila to go on-site. Even though we're on-site, we have to let them feel na, alam mo yun, positive lang. Like, walang toxicity in our production floor. Yeah.
Tsaka we made sure na, hindi tayo perfect. Gumagawa tayo ng engagements, diba?
Yes.
May times na yung engagements is pili lang sa mga tao na gusto mag-join. Pero we did receive feedback from that. So, ang ginawa natin is, available lahat ng engagement for everyone to join. So, naging masaya sila nung nagkaroon kami ng bingo event, di ba? Wala nang pera involved. Hindi lang tayo sa bingo talaga na mananalo sila, pero walang tayaan ng pera, di ba? So, as much as possible, we want everyone na makasama at maka-join at ma-feel nila nakasama sila at hindi sila nawali. Mga ganyan.
Siguro aside from the benefits that we're experiencing, another thing that makes, yung environment natin na very positive siya, maganda sa, not just for the operations, but for the entire employees, would be a very good yield in terms of their productivity. Kasi happy people producing a good environment, producing happy people, produces also a very good production for the entire organization. Which is, hindi rin naman natin pinababayaan yung recognition natin sa mga top performers, right?
Like monthly, nagkakaroon tayo ng recognition. Sa operation side, we have given them like jacket, merch, tumblers, and pa ba, lanyards. So, monthly, ginagawa namin yan. Quarterly, meron din. And then, pag nandito yung clients yearly, meron din silang natatanggap na mga malalaking merch from our side. So,
hindi lang yun. Even for support, we also have our own recognition and rewards. Like, we're recognizing the top performers, recruiter, or hindi man sa recruiter, even the HR, the facilities, no? Kasi yung mga, even yung sa year-end natin, di ba? We tend to congratulate all these people kasi we wanted to let them know that, hey, you're being recognized. I mean, your hard work, because you're doing so much good, so good in your task, we don't want to waste the opportunity to let them know that, hey, ang kilig ng tao.
Sure.
Kasi parang sa maliliit na bagay, na-appreciate nila yan eh. Kaya ma-recognize mo sila, sobrang big thing it sa kanila. Kaya very important talaga siya.
Pero pa yung Transcom Malasakit Awards, no?
Yes.
So it's really a big thing that kapag na-nominate ka doon, parang makaka-boost talaga siya ng moral. Pag nakita mo yung name mo doon somewhere, like, oh my God, I was nominated doon sa award na yun, di ba?
And that will make you really stay in the company. Kasi I feel like kung ako man yun, I mean, to be honest, hindi ko pa siya na-experience na talagang walk on the stage. But if I were to be that one, then magandang sa this company really loves me. I mean, they protect me. At the same time, hindi lang din yung pamilya ko, kasi kumakain ka, pwede mo on a daily basis. But myself, feeling na I'm so good, pero it's a very good feeling.
And yeah, it's like, I think yung na-appreciate ng mga tao, para maging positive yung environment ha, is yung kamustahin mo sa everyday, yung human touch.
Yes.
Yung presence mo na lagi na nandyan na, ano ba naman yung mag-hi ka lang, di ba? Or samahan mo sila mag-break sa taas, samahan mo kumain. Kasi dati, kinasanayan natin yung mga leaders natin na sa isang room, laging nasa meeting. Pero dito, sa operations namin, and I think sa other operations, we spend more time with them.
We sit with them.
Oo. Hindi yung nakakulong lang kami sa isang room. Talagang tumatabi tayo sa kanila. Yun kasi yung ma-appreciate kasi nila yun. Yun nandyan ka lang lagi. Parang kumbaga, ito ate, kuya, di ba, yung usapan na gano'n. Yung wala silang pakikil na may barrier sa atin ng dalawa na mataas ako, ito lang, walang gano'n. Parang yung pantay-pantay na trato, kung anong trato mo dito sa isa, trato mo din sa isa. Yun yung magiging positive environment.
And gusto ko din i-add about the positive work environment. They get to voice out what they know and feel dahil sa Transcom survey, the Pulse survey.
Yeah.
So maganda siyang venue or platform para marinig natin mismo from the frontliners. Ano ba yung mga needs nila? Ano ba yung talagang nagmamatter for them, diba? And then ano yung mga need pa natin i-improve. I think it's the best way para ma-maintain yung positive work environment kasi parang nagkakaroon sila ng chance. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao is kayo talaga makikipag-usap sa'yo in person.
Yeah.
So there's also another way of reaching out to those people na magkaroon tayo ng forums and the Pulse survey. So it's really a big thing for them na nakakapagsabi sila ng mas i-improve pa natin.
Yeah, and at the same time, yung survey na yun, it really helped na ikaw as a leader, kung alam mo yung ownership ba na i-own mo yung mistake mo, nagkamali ka dyan, mag-move forward ka, matuto ka sa ganyan, hindi yung magyayapang ka na, hindi ko yun mali. Dapat, as a leader, marunong ka mag-own ng pagkakamali mo. Ma-appreciate ng tao mo na nag-sorry ka genuinely sa kanya, di ba, kung pagkakamali niya. Kaya yun yung nagbibuild talaga ng positive work environment. Kasi yung nagiging mo yung trust ng tao, mo at the same time, nagiging nila yung trust mo.
Sabi nga ng director namin, live and learn.
Yan ang motto namin.
Kumbaga
pag nagkamali ka ngayon, hindi yan lagi tatatak na, yan ang pagkakamali.
It's not the end of the world.
We always give chances. Kumbaga pag nagkamali ka ngayon, mag-move forward ka, huwag mo nang ulitin ka. Diba? Yun yung live and learn for us.
At yung magandaan din doon, kasi sabi ko kanina, yung nandun kayo together with them at the floor.
Yeah.
Yung mga instant nilang naisip na kailangan nila ng help with it. Kung andun ka, madali na a-address yung issue or concern. Pero pag kasi wala ka, nasa malayo, parang minsan nakakalimutan din ang i-reach out, least magkakaroon pa na mas bigger problem, right? Pero kung andun ka personally with the rest of your team, mas mabilis ma-resolve yung mga issues.
Yes, exactly.
And siguro I think on our end naman, kasi very different. No? Kasi kami, sometimes we have people who are on a hybrid setup. And sometimes, nahirap ng trabaho isa pag nasa bahay ka. Siguro, how we were able to, promote positive work environment to them is the regular project and the regular call that we have. even if we're miles away, not really miles away, kilometers away.
Hindi ba kasi nauna? Yung iba nasa Boracay.
Nasa Davao, yung iba ito iba. Ibang side, ibang provinces. We get to somehow, kamustahin sila. Other personal, it can be personal, it can be work-related. Kumbaga, mapa-feel ko sa kanila na even if we're far away, hello, I'm just a Google middle way.
Kayo din ba nag-team building kayo?
Yes.
Meron tayong upcoming team building ng operations. Kasi alam mo, kahit yung agents namin, nag-team building sila per team. Ina-allow namin yan. May times na nag-a-adjust kami ng yung schedule nila, basta may coverage, they can do team building. So, yun yung business. Again, papasok ko na kasi work-life balance.
Work-life balance, yeah.
Kasi hindi natin sila pwedeng ibusan sa trabaho lang kayo ng trabaho. We need to have fun.
Ano maganda lang yan, every Christmas, yan. Hindi pwede, like hindi tayo magkakaroon ng Christmas party.
Totoo yan.
Isang man lang beses sa isang taon, di ba? We get together as one team para ma-experience natin yung camaraderie. Maramdaman mo, hindi na pala ako nag-iisa, marami pala kami.
Ang dami pala natin sa transport. Diba? Diba? In fairness nga, this party last year, diba?
Shining, shimmering, splendid.
Nakakita ko ng stage, kumanta ko ng super bass.
Nasa part ng Nicki Minaj.
Saka nakita yung pinaka-director natin sa mga pag-events, Sir Alvin, tatawagin ka lang para kumunta sa stage. Diba? Buti na lang talaga, I was born ready.
That's nice, diba? Diyan naman tayo eh. Diyan tayo pinalaki. Kailangan, you know, we're born ready with whatever it is.
Diba?
Kaya sabi sa inyo, yung mga taon natin, kaya nga tayo nagkakaroon ng mga promotions kasi we pushed it to be the best version of themselves.
Correct.
Look at Dix.
Naman. Baka kung maging naman ng podcast. Just to share, yung etong recognition na to, because recently, diba, I got promoted as a senior operations manager. Thank so much. Right? So, kumbaga, hanggang second year college na ako, hindi ko ini-expect na handong ako sa ganito. Siguro, yung hard work talaga na naibigay. Umiiyak talaga ako sa pag may mga times na hindi ko kinakaya. Pero sobrang na-appreciate ko din, babalik tayo din sa strong leadership. Nung kinausap ako ni Craig, sabi niya na, yun tumatak sa akin kasi I declined the promotion. Hindi kasi parang I'm not fit for it. Pero siya yung nagsabi sa akin na, hindi mo malalaman na ready ka ulit, hindi mo sinusupport pa.
Yeah.
Pag ako may kinuha dyan, at masasabi mo, ay, kanya ko yung ginagawa niya, baka magkaroon ka ng secretary. Diba? Sa doon yung VP mismo, yung kakausap sa'yo to push you na applyan mo yung position. And thankfully, I did get it. Kasi ang dami ko pang natututunan. Kasi yung learning curve Japan, hindi siya natatapos doon eh. Tuloy-tuloy siya eh. So, diba? Totoo. So, yun yung na-appreciate ko doon. Akala kong gandun lang ako, pero meron pa pala.
There's always more.
Hindi. More in store for us.
I'll share something about strong leadership. When we started, syempre, ang liit lang ng team namin. Super liit lang. And try to think of na parang sa dami ng volume ng work, how this few people would be able to handle yung bigat ng responsibility. And that's where our leaders stood up for us. I mean, like, he reached out to us na parang, what do you need? I know we're a little bit swamped with responsibilities. Kumbaga, hindi niya kami pinabayaan on guidance on what needs to be done. And if we see something opportunity para ma-improve yung process or even man lang din mag-adjust a little bit on some things to make little things easier for us. Kasi kakaunti nga lang kami when we started, no? Doon pumasok yung help from the leaders. Like, hindi nila kami pinabayaan. And at the same time, they understand how we feel. I think Transcorp is very, giving us that opportunity to speak with the leaders. Hindi nakakaroon ng one.
Oo,
diba?
Yun talaga importante kasi tayo lang yung nagtutulungan.
Yes.
So, yung open communication,
correct.
Diba? Dapat nandun tayo. I think naalala ko yan, sobrang naragnak interview. So, kami yung pumasok do the final interview.
Yes.
Yun lang talaga magtulungan lang tayo. Talagang gagana eh.
Kasi hindi sila maramot dun sa opportunity.
Magbigay ng ideas.
Yes.
Lahat tayo may say dito. Yun yung maganda.
Yes. And we partner talaga. I mean, partnership, hindi talaga siya nawala.
Legit.
From the beginning, from my day one up to present, andun siya.
Diba? Siya nag-interview sa
Oo siya.
Ikaw ang nag-interview sa akin. Wala.
Yun!
Diba? Nag-interview ako Diyos ko, narag na narag pa ako nung in-interview mo ako. May script yata ako. May bullet points ako para kasi ako. Diba? Free-flowing lang kasi. Very natural.
Oo. Yeah, and I think on the career development naman, andyan pa rin din eh.
Yeah, so internship program.
Yeah.
Kailan ba tayo? Nag-white belt na tayo?
Yellow belt, Six Sigma. Right? So,
Maraming libre sa Transco. Marami silang gustong, I think Red Cross pa.
Red Cross
Isa yun,
training.
sa Red Cross training. Pumili sila ng mga tao na mahal ang bayad doon, pero pinasok kami sa Red Cross. Train kami, magkaroon kami ng certificate to be the first aider.
Pag-pump ka dun.
Kidding aside, pero ang daming pwede i-provide ni Paxco. May thankfully pa, yung mga na-mention natin, konti pa lang yun.
Konti pa lang.
Hindi ko marami pa. Retirement, pupunta na ba tayo sa retirement plan? Jesus ko, malapit na. Wait the next 7 years?
Oo,
7 years ka na lang kami. 8 years ka pa pumunta. Ay, diba? Bakit ito yun? Oo, tignan lang. At so every 5 years, may nakukuha kayong service award. Yes, serious. Isa pa yun. Nasa pa yung wings. Tapos tatanong naman ako ngayon sa HMO kasi medyo busy ako kakatugtog ng mga dependents dyan sa HMO eh. Then ngayon, second year na kami, libre na naman yung pangalawang dependent ko kasi yung first year ko, free yung tali ko. Ngayon, libre na yung tali ko. Diba? So, ang dami. Kasi sa previous company namin, pagbabayad ka ng premium eh. Oh, diba?
Sure.
And hindi lang yun, maganda din is we are able to also acknowledge our partners.
Yes.
Even if hindi pa naman talaga kayo kasama or even the LGBT community, covered yan. And because as long as you guys 10% some documents that you are together, we may, diba? So, saan ba, right?
Ano talaga?
Ako. I mean, na-enjoy ko yan kasi I am a family woman now. I have 3 kids. Ano kagandahan lang yun, my husband also has his big HMO. I tend to get HMO for my mom. Kasi my mom is already a senior citizen. So, cover ko pa siya. Dalawa sila. Mahirap na hindi mo mapoprotektahan yung family. Very important.
Lalo
So,
sa
yun
panahon.
talaga yung reason bakit ako bumabangon sa araw-araw.
Parang kapilan.
Yes.
Oo.
Of course.
Ang hirap talaga mag-work ng wala kang HMO coverage. Kasi for me, yan talaga yung una ko tinitignan, yung HMO coverage na kasi alam naman natin, ang daming work for home offers dyan. Pero yung benefits is limited.
Yes.
Limited.
Diba? So, ako, masaya ko isipin na okay na mag-on-site ako. Kasi may HMO coverage ako. Swerte ko na lang kung may makita kong work from home na may HMO. Pero ako kasi, I prefer working on-site kasi iba yung saya.
Yes.
Lalo na every day
Kasama
na,
mo yung mga
every
colleagues
day mo nakakasama yung mga tao na nagpapasayo din sa'yo, diba? Sobrang nakakawala siya ng stress.
Pati iba-iba naman din talaga tayo naman ng pangangailangan at saka yung views in life. Kasi siguro, everything ng pinagdadaanan ko as a family, ikaw, yun nga, so for yourself, and then si Aki, lahat yun na-incorporate natin dito. No? And then Transcom really provides not just for ourselves, it also extend it to our family.
Exactly.
So that's the reason why 3 years in Transcom and many more years to come.
And just to add, actually, on the operation side, recently kasi sa amin nag-start yung wellness.
Wellness.
Sa kayo,
wellness
yeah.
group. Yeah.
So nag-start yan sa amin, hanggang in-apply yan sa ibang accounts. So I think malaking bagay itong wellness na to kasi hindi sa lahat ng company may wellness.
Yep.
Wherein yung pinapahalagaan yung feelings mo, yung mental health mo, di ba? So here, dito natin nakita yung mga efforts ng coaches natin to talk. Siyempre, dami mo kakausapin, imagine mo, di ba? Tapos lagi mo dapat tatandaan yung mga problema nila kasi kailangan nandun kayo to feel nila na protected sila, that someone is listening to them, di ba? Sobrang ganda ng wellness program natin kasi hindi lang siya para sa atin, ine-extend din natin yun to family members.
Sure.
Like sa parents, if they need psychologists, pwede natin i-extend ito ng wellness. Wow.
Sure. They're just one fall away.
If there's one thing that we wanted to remember in this conversation, that would be the best companies don't just hire employees. They nurture and value them. And then upon learning, that's strong leadership, career development,
Syempre, of course, andyan yung positive work environment and then the pay and benefits.
True. Tapos meron din work-life balance and of course, hindi mawala yung recognition talaga.
Yeah, that's right. So, kumbaga, here sa Transcom talaga, we provide, we grow opportunities and at the same time, celebrate the individual's contribution. Kumbaga, we celebrate big and small wins.
Exactly. And when you find a company like this, Transcom, for sure you'll feel at home talaga.
Yeah, at Transcom, we are proud to say that we're building that kind of environment every single day. No
Sure.
doubt na, people, sabi nyo nga, very low attrition. They tend to stay with us. And that's very important in every organization, right?
Totoo. And if you're looking for a workplace where you can thrive and feel valued, Transcom is the place to be.
Yes.
Diba?
Agree to that.
Alright, thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this conversation, share it with someone who might find it helpful. Malay nyo, naghahanap sila ng company like Transcom. And we'd love to hear it from you as well. What makes a company a place where you would stay?
And let us know in the comments, okay? And drop us a message.
And of course, stay tuned for more stories, tips, and conversations on our Kwentuhan here in
The After Shift.